even add like very little red pepper so that I can just give it a little color to. So guys, I'm making egusi soup. I'm not sure I mentioned it. I've been craving for egusi for the longest of time. Not really for the longest of time. I think it started Nigeria's Independence Day. That was when I started craving really well for egusi soup. So I'm going to be making it today with goat meat. So guys, I've already marinated the goat meat. I'm cooking with goat meat today. I already marinated it, so I just want to turn on the gas and start to cook this. So I don't know how long I'm going to be cooking it for. I'm not, a pro that will be giving time for things.
Dried fish.
As soon as it's cooked, I'm just going to take it off. I'm going to go and get the stock fish I'm going to use to make the soup and the dry fish as well. So guys, I'm going to be using, I think I'm going to be using this one. I don't know if like saying Ami does the chop ham like this. So I'm going to be using this one to make the soup. I'm going to save this one for another soup. Then this is my stock fish already washed. I washed with hot water and it's already ready. So I don't think I need to even cook it extra because I really washed it with hot water. So guys, I already have like very tiny red pepper in my blender and onions. Then I'm going to be using this osen suka for it. I just want the flavor of this I just want the flavor of this pepper. It's not like I really want it hot. Left for me, I would have just used red pepper and left for me, I would have just used red pepper and Cameroon pepper. So I'm just going to cover this. I put this ready, I think at about 5. Now it's like to 8. I'm just going to cover it and get prepared for blending. So guys, this is the egusi I'm going to be using. It's like half derika. I don't know, for people who live in Lagos, you guys already know what a derika is. So in the market, when you go to the markets, like they will say IAG crayfish chaputia. So they just took like 15 naira crayfish just to grind out the remaining egusi from the blender, so it's not stuck in there. My mom helped me buy this yesterday. So guys, this is my meat boiling. I want to even add like very little red pepper so that I can just give it a little color to it. I've already put my okeroko inside, my stockfish inside, so I don't even know. I've already put my stockfish inside, and man, people who used to do cooking vlogs, man, now you guys are really maybe like I'm already tired, so I'm just going to pour palm oil into it. I wanted to make this egusi a different way, but this was not when I planned, or this was not the time I planned to make this soup. I actually planned to make it like way earlier, than this time. It's already 8 p.m. Nigerian time, and I'm already tired. I was supposed to make this thing like earlier, but NEPA refused to bring the light, and I was just waiting till it's a little bit late so that I can turn on the gen, and in case they don't bring the light, the gen can stay all through the night. So I'm just going to pour palm oil into this quickly. I already poured palm oil, and I'm just going to stir this and leave it for a little while before it cooks. Then I'm going to add my grounded crayfish, yellow pepper. Some people call it osen suka. Not even some people, I heard that's what it's called, but it's yellow pepper because it's yellow in color. And one other thing I'm going to add, I'll tell you by the end of this video. So I'm just going to add a little bit, then I'm going to add the remaining one inside the egusi as well. I want to add my stock fish. I already washed it. I want to add my dry fish. It's already washed, so I'm going to pour everything in there. Get my spoon and just stir. So after it just boils for like 2 minutes, I'm just going to add my egusi in there. I don't know if I'm going to film that part, but just in case I don't film it, I'm going to be adding my egusi next. So guys, I'm going to be pouring my egusi. I'm not going to stir. I'm just going to allow it to cook. Then I'm going to come back to check on it. I'm just going to let it cook some more. Then I will add my ugu inside and turn off the light. So I'm going to be putting the vegetable and its ugu. So I'm just going to give this a stir. I'm not really a fan of too much vegetable, but it's like I'm going to just add the remaining one into the soup. I reduce the light because I don't want the vegetable to heat too much.